Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmore Midaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to recover deleted Yahoo emails. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on any web browser like Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox or Chrome browser to log in your Yahoo account. And next step, so open lang natin ang Chrome web browser. And then search mo lang dito yung Yahoo login. And then dito lang sa upper right side, makikita mo dito yung sign in. So click mo lang yan. And then kailangan lang natin mag-sign in mga kaibigan sa ating Yahoo account. And once nakapag-login na tayo, so ganito yung makikita mo. And next step, so dito lang sa upper right side, makikita mo dito yung Yahoo emails icon. So click mo lang yan. And then madadirect tayo dito sa Yahoo email and yung inbox natin. Okay, so kung paano ba natin i-recover yung deleted emails sa ating Yahoo account. So dito lang sa left side menu, and then kailangan mo na mag-scroll down, and then select mo lang dito yung deleted items. Ito siya, okay? So click mo lang yan. And then makikita mo na dito yung mga deleted na emails natin. So kung paano natin yan i-recover, so sinig ka lang dito kung anong gusto mo i-recover, so click mo lang yan. And then next step ay makikita mo dito sa taas yung restore to inbox. Okay, so i-click mo lang tong restore to inbox, and then yan. So makikita mo dito na conversations move to inbox. So ibig sabihin na-recover na siya. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to recover deleted emails in Yahoo account. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.